Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here for this quick tutorial on Microsoft Word templates when you're using them with Act software. So I had a client reach out to me by the name of Todd, and Todd said he had created a new template, and when he went to look for it, he couldn't find it. So this is how you fix this. If you've created a new template and you go to use it, and I'm going to go to Write, I'm going to go down to Mail Merge, and I'm going to go Next. I'm going to just use Word Processor. And the key point I'm trying to get to is when I click on Browse to go see the template I'm looking for, if I cannot find it, it is most likely because when the document was saved, or the template I should say, it was saved with the wrong file extension. So what you need to make note of is right up here, you need to note where these files are stored. You then need to navigate via File Explorer, and I'm going to go down and do that here. And once you find the file, and you'll notice that right here I created this template called Sample Template 1. It saved it with the DOCX extension. All I'm going to do is click on it, right-click on it, go Rename, and I'm going to change the extension to .adt. And then I'm going to click away from it. It's going to ask me if I want to save it. I'm going to say yes. And now that will be visible if he goes back in and navigates to that particular template. So again, it just originally saved with the wrong file extension. And that's how you fix it. Thank you so very much for being here. You have a great day. Bye now.